Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into 2 crucial tips for maintaining a healthy weight. You know, it's something I get asked about all the time, and it's really important to me to help you guys live your healthiest lives. Remember, everyone's body is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. That's why it's so important to listen to your body and find what feels best for you. So, whether you're just starting your health journey or you're looking for some extra tips, I hope you find this video helpful. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the importance of a balanced diet. You've probably heard it a million times, but it all starts with what you're putting into your body. And no, I'm not talking about some crazy restrictive diet. I'm talking about real whole foods that make you feel good. Think about it like this. Your body is like a car, and food is the fuel. You wouldn't put just any old gas in your car, right? You want the good stuff, the premium fuel that will help it run smoothly and efficiently. The same goes for your body. Filling it with nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains is like giving it that premium fuel. These foods provide the vitamins, minerals, and energy your body needs to function at its best. And when your body is functioning at its best, it's better equipped to maintain a healthy weight. But it's not just about what you eat. It's also about how much you eat. Portion control is key. It's easy to overeat, especially when we're constantly bombarded with large portion sizes. But by being mindful of how much we're consuming, we can avoid consuming more calories than our body needs. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but Dr. Mike, I love pizza and ice cream. And hey, I get it. I have my indulgences too. It's all about balance. You don't have to deprive yourself of the things you enjoy. Just remember, moderation is key. Enjoy those treats in moderation, and make sure you're balancing them out with plenty of nutrient-rich foods. Remember, a balanced diet isn't about being perfect. It's about making sustainable choices that nourish your body and make you feel your best. Alright, now that we've covered the importance of a balanced diet, let's move on to our second tip: regular physical activity. And no, I'm not talking about running a marathon every day. Any movement is good movement. Even just taking the stairs instead of the elevator or going for a walk during your lunch break can make a big difference. Exercise has so many benefits for both our physical and mental health. It helps us maintain a healthy weight, strengthens our bones and muscles, improves our cardiovascular health, boosts our mood, and reduces stress. And the best part is, there are so many different ways to get moving. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's dancing, swimming, hiking, biking, or playing a sport. The key is to find something you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Now, I know it can be tough to find the time to exercise, especially with our busy schedules. But trust me, even just squeezing in a few short workouts a week can make a world of difference. And remember, it doesn't have to be complicated. You can even get a great workout from home with some bodyweight exercises, or by following along with a workout video online. The most important thing is to listen to your body and not push yourself too hard, especially when you're first starting out. Start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts as you get stronger. And most importantly, have fun with it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips. Remember, taking care of your health is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, sustainable changes over time that add up to big results. Stay healthy and see you next time.